welcome to the first video of Throttle Junkies. I'm gonna be pulling the motor off of the transmission, start getting it ready for the rebuild. Alright, so I just want to show you guys what the bolts look like. This was previously a swap. The car came naturally aspirated from the factory and they put the Gen 2 turbo motor in. So you still have to look up and see the number on the transmission and see if that was the NA or the turbo transmission. But check out the spacers they use. Boom. Look at that. Oh, you fall down?
Yeah.
You okay?
No, yeah.
No, yeah. I think you're tough.
Yeah.
High five.
I nailed it. I nailed it.
This one didn't even have a bolt. So, it's got some work to be done. Mucho worko. My good Spanish there. Right, the unloading of the motor. And here is the other project that you'll see soon.
Corners. That's the main thing I'm worried about. Taking that out.
The hose? That's some wet ass socks.
The first thing I told you, hey, don't walk in front of that because it's gonna spray.
I walked, it was just like, so it was like, oh, I think my shoes are getting wet. Yep, oh yeah, yep, I feel that on my socks now. Yep, there's like a mesh fabric on the outside of my shoes, so by the time I felt it on my socks, it was way too late. First toy out of the toy box we're gonna be playing with and be the turbo rebuild kit. Would it be easier to just hit this wastegate bracket and take this whole thing off as one? So 13, or just caked up? Caked up. Tired. Tired. Kind of feel like Picasso painting with an oily paintbrush. Cool passages from all that K-seal.
Yeah. Anyway, when I got this Gremlin, so we can go in and clean it all up with the diamond cutter.
Can you use this one too? So in the middle of cleaning out the turbo, our GoPro died. We were able to get everything finished and tore apart. The rods and pistons looked to be in relatively good shape. Although we still decided that bigger and better is stronger, or stronger is bigger and better, or something like that. And I went ahead and decided to order some Brian Crower forged rods, and then also decided to get some ARP main studs to go with our ARP head studs, and then got some Cleveite main bearings and some King bearing thrust washers. So be sure to stay tuned for more content as we finish building this Toyota MR2 to destroy the Coyote 5.0 that you'll also be seeing on this channel. In the meantime, we'll be bringing you some fun bonus material like our new segment, Will It Do a Burnout? So we really appreciate you guys watching our first video. So make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button so that you can see all of the latest videos that we post. And don't forget to check out the in-depth review of our draggy device. So thanks again, and we'll see you guys later.